Hello guys, today we are going to compare the size of red swamp versus the Australian red claw or ARC. So this is the biggest male that I had so far, which is how many months old? Maybe 3 to 4 months old. So let's check how many inches. So he's almost 4 or 3.75. So this is my male. And you can identify the genital of this male because there are lines, 4 lines like this. This is completely different from an ARC genital. So for them, it is very easy to identify. The female red swamp doesn't have these 4 straight lines, which is the male genital. And this is my female red swamp. Which is almost 3.75 or 3.75 as well. So see, if you can notice, there are no 4 lines genital here. Okay, so and there's yeah, so it is very easy to identify that this is a female because of there's no 4 lines of this genital. 3.75. This stuff. Okay, so this is an ARC male. First distinction is there's a orange claw or red claw here, so it is the sign that this is a male. So this male is around 5 inches. Okay, so this is around 5 to 6 months old male. So I think so it is growing at a normal stage, or maybe we could say fast. Okay. So he's huge already, and he will get bigger every month with the proper food and proper giving them the right calcium and nutrients. So this is a breeder already. Those are breeders as well of the red swamp. So this is the difference. Okay. So when it comes to genital, you can see these 2 bump here. So this is the genital of a male ARC or Australian red claw. And for the female, there is 2 big dots here on this area. Oops. Right. So if you can see, there's nothing there. So I don't have the female right now, but the female is a little bit smaller than this. Okay. So if we are going to compare the size of them, 3.75 and 5 inches, there's a 1.5 inches difference. And I believe that this is a little bit older. So the red swamp is also getting bigger, but not as huge as the ARC. And look at there, his claw is a little bit long. Okay, and they are red, that's why they are red swamp. So from top you would think that they are just the same, but they are not. So this is an ARC, this is a red swamp. Okay, so this is the female red swamp. So the male is much more reddish than the female. Okay. Alright. So maybe we can get a female one. Just give me a moment. Is this a male? Oh, it's a male. This is also an ARC, but on orange color, and it's a male. So I will get the female. I believe we get the female here. Yeah, there you go. It is a female, and to identify the female, there is a circle here at the second from the lowest close. There's a circle dot here. So this is the identification that this is a female one, and they don't have the two bumps here just like the male has. So this is the identity of a female ARC. So if you can take a look at that one, that circle over there. So this is the sign that this is a female. So, oh, it was cut. Okay. All right. So let's try to size it up. Oh. Okay. So this female is just around 4 inches. Okay.
6.
All right.